Hello, my dears. Welcome back. How are you? So, my dears, today I will start a poem. Okay. Today we'll deal a poem. So, we'll deal chapter number 9, the snake trying. The snake trying. Okay, snake. So, when we heard snake, okay, so we just wanted to kill it. Okay, directly. So, my dear, the snake is considered poisonous and dangerous all the time. But tell me one thing, are all the snakes poisonous? Okay. And are all the snakes are harmful for you and they're going to bite you directly? Okay. It is not possible. If you wanted, if you want to harm them, okay. If you harm them, so definitely they will hurt you. If you don't want to hurt them, okay. So why they come to hurt you? Okay. It will be impossible. So, my dear, when if we talk about in our colony or in our street, okay, when we heard this word from somewhere, okay, there is snake and there was snake. So, people were ready to kill it directly. Okay, people went there and wanted to kill the snake without knowing the purpose. Okay, maybe he came there by mistake. Okay, the snake came there by mistake, and the snake didn't want to hurt the people, didn't want to hurt anybody or anyone. Okay, but we have a firm belief. Okay, and if we talk about our mentality, so we had only a firm belief that to kill the snake. Okay, and what we do, okay, when we heard the snake somewhere, so we directly wanted to kill the snake. Okay, and we understand that all the snakes are poisonous and very harmful. So, my dear, if you are going to hurt them, so definitely in their defense, in their offense, they became offensive. Okay, when you are going to hurt them, okay, when you are going to hurt snake, so in their self defense they must be offensive. Okay, at that time, and they then they hurt to us. Okay, so why we wanted to hurt them directly, why we wanted to kill them directly? So I had seen many time, and you also had seen many time that when you heard somewhere there was snake or there is snake, so the people is wanted to kill, okay, directly, and their stick just wait to kill the snake. So it's not good, my dears. All the snakes are not poisonous. Okay, and if we talk about the poisonous snake, so uh, they are going to harm you when you wanted to hurt them. Okay, otherwise they also wanted escape from you. Okay, otherwise the snake escaped from us. Okay, it frightened with us. Okay, it afraid to us, snake. Okay, so in this poem the writer W. Ross. Okay, so uh, the writer Rose signifies, okay, the beauty of snake. Okay, the snake is also beautiful. Okay, and the writer saw the beauty in snake, and the writer wanted to share, okay, about beauty of snake to us. Okay, so we'll talk about the poem. So very interesting and nice poem we are going to read on today. So all the snakes are not poisonous or dangerous, but we considered the snake poisonous or dangerous. Okay, it's our belief, and when we heard there is snake somewhere, so we just we kill the snake without knowing the purpose. The snake don't want to, snake doesn't or didn't want to hurt you. Okay, but you are going to hurt. So in its offense, in its self defense, the snake will bite you definitely. Okay, so in the poem we have shown the beauty of snake. We have shown in two three stranger, the beauty. Okay, the beauty of snake. So the poem is a depiction of beauty of snake. Okay, so we'll see. Stranger number one, the snake trying. So the snake trying. So for what the snake trying? The snake trying for bite you. the snake trying for hurt you? No, it's not true. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. Your stick is pursuing snake. Your stick is chasing the snake. You wanted to kill the snake. So he snake escape from your stick. Okay, he escapes from your stick because your stick is still pursuing the snake. When we heard the snake, we directly went there to kill it. Okay, so that's why the snake trying to escape. Okay, so the snake trying to escape from your stick because you wanted to kill him. Okay, with sudden curving of thin long body. So now the poet wanted to show the snake's beauty. Okay, with sudden curving. So when the snake escape from somewhere, so if we talk about its movement, so it moves in curve shape. Okay, it move in curve shape, and it has thin body and it has long body, and when it moves, so it moves in curve shape. How beautiful and graceful are his shape. So we were talking about the shape. So when the poet saw the snake's shape, so the poet expressed the beauty of snake. The poet symbolized that how beautiful the snake's shape. Okay, so the poet is admiring, the poet is going to admire or appreciate snake shape. Okay, curve shape. Okay, when it moves. Stranger 2. He glides through the waterway. Glide means he goes, okay, he went across through the waterway. So when any snake just rain on water or move on water, so how beautiful it looks. Okay. From the stroke, he glides through the water away from the stroke. So then he effort to came out from the water, to come out from the water. So we have seen the movement of snake on water, how graceful, how beautiful it looks when it moves on water. Okay, or let him go over the water. So my dear, you let go. Okay, you must go, and you let the snake go to the water. Okay, why you are trying to stop it? Why you are trying to prevent or kill it? So let him go over the water. Okay, so you had given the snake, okay, to go to the water, then into the reach to hide. Okay, so when the snake went into the water, so the snake is also in search of a safe place. So then he had a place where he hide in reeds means beautiful aquatic plants. Okay, so the snake wanted to hide in aquatic plants like reeds. Okay, without hurt. So snake don't want to hurt you. Okay, snake doesn't want to hurt you. Okay, until you hurt it. Okay, so small and green, he is harmless even to children. So in this poem we are talking about green snake. Okay, so the poet just symbolized that all the snakes are not considered dangerous, okay, and harmful. So we are talking about the green snake. The green snake is not poisonous, it's harmless even to children. Okay, children also can go uh, nearby it. Okay, it can't be harmful for the children even. Okay, last, along the sand he lay until observed. So sometime the snake came out from the water, from the reed, from aquatic plant, and they have sunlight, they have sunny atmosphere, and they rest on the sand. Okay, until they observe. And when they observe, okay, if you saw them, suddenly they move from the place. Okay, so until they observe, they rest, they wait on sand. Okay, in sunny sunlight. Okay, so they were on sand. Okay, until you observe or see them, and when you observe them, they chase away, they just rain from there, and now they vanish. Okay, they vanish. Snake vanish when you observe the snake on sand. Okay, and the ripple among the green slim reeds, and where they move, they just went to the same aquatic reed, beautiful reed means aquatic plant. So they went to, okay, they go to the aquatic plant, they go to among those aquatic reed or aquatic plants. Okay, so the poem signifies the beauty of snake and all the snakes. We consider the snake harmful and dangerous, but all the snakes are not dangerous and harmful, especially green snake. And when we heard in, if suppose in our neighborhood or in somewhere, if we heard about the snake, so the people wanted, and people's stick wanted to kill the snake. So now the snake also just telling to you that I am escaping from your stick, because your stick is still pursuing me for killing me, and I'm not going to hurt you, but you want to hurt me. So in my self defense, I turn to offensive. Okay, and it's not my fault. So we should be kindful. Okay, we should have kindness for these creature. Okay, and this creature also the gift of nature from nature's treasure trove. So we must not try to hurt them. Okay, so it was the poem. Okay, we'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.